Good morning, my loves. How are you? I hope you're all doing fantastically well. I am currently sitting here editing today's video and enjoying a nice big cup of coffee. Honestly, it's the best way to start the day. I need to go make breakfast now as well because coffee is not enough for the body. I've had a few questions actually in my last few videos in regards to beauty videos, if I've given them up, if I'm not coming back, or what's the story. And no, I'm not giving up like my beauty videos at the moment. I'm just uninspired, and that's the bottom line. I'm uninspired to make beauty videos right now. Beauty channel is always going to be there. I'm never going to give it up. I love it so much. It's, you know, what started me kind of on this journey and stuff, but it's just at the moment my priorities have changed and things are different, and I'm gonna go back to it. I will, I promise you guys. Like, I'm not just gonna abandon ship over there, but I just want to kind of like focus on my life, I guess, at the moment, and like enjoying a little bit of happiness and, you know, stuff that's going on with me. And I'm like, I know YouTube's my job and stuff, and it's, you know, part of everything, but I'm actually just so happy right now, and I'm just like living my best life here, you know, in the apartment with John and everything, and it's great. And I've just, you know, focused mostly on my vlog channel because that kind of reflects what's going on in my life, you know, like cooking and cleaning and, you know, doing up the apartment and then going shopping and spending time with friends, because that's just reflecting the way that my life is right now. And that doesn't mean that I'm not into beauty or anything at all, but it's just that I've just taken a back step from it, that's all. But I am going back to filming beauty videos. I promised you guys I would do a drugstore week. I haven't forgotten about that. I'm still going to do it. I have pre-filmed videos for it. I just need to do more. It is a bit of a struggle because living here, there is nowhere to film. It's not like I'm like, you know, just avoiding going into like my filming area. I actually have nowhere to film, and there is traffic kind of, you know, I live in a busy area and there's traffic, and it's not really aesthetically pleasing, or not even aesthetically pleasing, it's not sound pleasing for you guys to have to hear like the traffic and, you know, horns going and stuff like that. Like, it's just not great. So I'm gonna have to like figure out like a filming area for here, but for now I'm like traveling back to my home house, so that is obviously not really convenient, but it's just the only option I have right at the moment. So I just thought I would fill you in on that. So beauty's still gonna be there. It's just I've taken a bit of a hiatus from it to just enjoy kind of, I said that all about this year anyway, that this year was going to be a little bit of a step back from YouTube, from my beauty side, because of stuff that had just gone on in my personal life, and it wasn't good for my mental health, believe it or not. Like, it actually wasn't, because when you like, this is why I love like my vlog channel, because I know every time like I log in, I'm not saying like I want praise and I want this and that and the other, but it's just there's kindness on my vlog channel. Like, people are kind to one another, people are acceptant of one another, people are just lovely in the comment section. And then I sometimes find on the beauty side, people can be really nasty, and you think it'd be like the other way around. You think like beauty, people who follow beauty would be like more beautiful on the inside perhaps, but like they're really not, and they can be really horrible and nasty, and it's not good if you have mental health issues to be reading comments that are just so horrible directed at you like daily. So I had to take like a bit of a break from that naturally, but now that I just feel great and everything, like I obviously want to go back to doing that. Hi guys, so it's been a while since I last spoke to you. Like, really, it's only been like 2 hours. I've been working for the last 2.5 hours editing. The battery died when I was last talking to you. Woo, the sun's getting bright there. It died the last time I was talking to you. Now I've decided that I'm gonna go to Tesco's because I've decided that I want to cook chicken curry for dinner. And John did the shopping the other day and he did a really good job. Wow, it's gotten so bright. It was like kind of dull there all morning. But he went shopping and got like all of our shopping equipment, or like groceries rather. But I decided that I wanted chicken curry tonight, and we have no chicken curry paste. What am I trying to say? I have no curry paste, and I have no coconut milk, because I want to make like a Thai red curry or a Thai green curry. I'm not sure. Red, green, I haven't decided yet. But I don't have the paste, so I'm gonna go and get that. Also, I'm in my jammies. Look at my new Marie jammies. Aren't these like the cutest thing ever? They have like Marie everywhere. And they're so slouchy and like oversized. And I bought them in, yeah, my size. So this is in the extra small. It was just really like slouchy and big, and I love it. And like Marie is like so extra on it, but they're just so cozy. It's in the loungewear, the like pajama section of Pennies, if you are wondering, and I got it in Liffey Valley, just if you are wondering where I got it. So my hair is up. I just had a shower, finished editing, uploaded my IKEA vlog, and now I'm gonna go and get the curry paste. Also, a lot of people were asking as well about the IKEA haul, and they can't wait to see that. That will be, I'll be filming it tomorrow, I hope, or maybe I might even film it today when I get back from shopping, who knows. I was gonna put a bit of makeup on as well if I am filming that. Just I like to kind of look a bit more presentable, you know, when you're filming a haul, because it's like a little bit more of a nicer video, because it's not as raw as a vlog, you get me? Like a haul's a little bit more, you're a little bit more put together. So I might put makeup on and film that. I could even do it today, who knows. I'll see how long it takes me to get the curry paste and everything in Tesco's. I also need to start cooking dinner as well later on, so I'll show you exactly what I'm doing with that, because it's like a different dish. I haven't filmed like a chicken curry preparation, I think, yet. Like you've seen me do spag bol and like the chicken pasta creamy sauce thing that I do. I don't know, I need a name for that. There's such an echo in the kitchen, like compared to in here, because obviously there's blinds and obviously there's curtains in here now, and like the bedding and all the stuff is kind of like padding out the room, so it's not as echoey. The kitchen is so echoey, I don't know why. So I'm dressed and ready to go. I'm just wearing this like sweatshirt from Pennies, and then my long camo coat, and then my ripped jeans from Pretty Little Thing. I actually need to go and get more clothes at home. I haven't moved all my clothes over here, so I'm kind of like repeating outfits, just kind of what I have here, you know. There's not a big deal. Outfit repeater. Yes, that's me. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Ooh, nearly knocked over the Hoover. Great. I just checked and there is no wraps left either, so I can't even make myself something to eat, so I'll go get wraps and stuff like that. So we're off to Tesco's, guys. We're gonna go shopping. We're gonna pick up essentials. Basically, all I'm getting is wraps and curry paste and a tin of coconut milk. That's it, but I'm sure I will come out with more stuff. And guess what I forgot, guys? I forgot to bring bags. Ugh, this is like the story of my life. Every single time I go shopping, I forget to bring the shopping bags. I should just leave them in the boot of my car, and then they'll be just happy out there, because it's just nonsense, the fact that I keep forgetting them. I am starving now, so wrap. I think I'm gonna get some cherry tomatoes as well, and I think I might need new ham, but like there's been ham in the fridge for a little while, and you know the way like things like go off, and I don't eat that much ham, so I don't know what shape it's in. And then I need to get, oh actually I need to get lady things as well, because that's going on as well, you know. Well, we'll be here in like a day or so, so we better go and get them 10 packs all the way. Woohoo! Obviously now that I just live with a boy, it's not as easy to just run into your sister's room and steal, you know, her things if you're in a pinch. Like you kind of just need to have your own Tampax and pads and stuff, because there ain't nobody else that's going to be able to sort you out. Right, so we're here, we're parked, let's go shopping. Okay, so wraps, I'm gonna get these ones. I think they're the ones I get. Oh no, maybe it's these ones. I don't know, I can never remember. I usually just get whichever ones are on special. Ha ha ha, maybe it's like the plain Tesco ones that I get. What the hell are they? I knew there was so much choice when it came to wraps. Okay, I'm just gonna go with my initial thought and just get the plain ones. I also managed to pick up donuts, which were not on the list, and I got myself lilies. These are my favourite flowers, and my other flowers are dead, so I need to replenish. Cherry tomatoes, these are the ones I want. In you go. Kind of low on fruit as well, especially for John. He loves blueberries, so I think I might get some of these. And some raspberries maybe as well. Yeah, raspberries and strawberries. No. Yeah, actually let's get strawberries and blueberries. Okay, so this is the aisle I'm looking for, but I don't see the paste. Actually, do you know what? I wouldn't mind getting some mango chutney. I love mango chutney. Which choice? I can't remember the one that I used to get. Damn it. Ah, this is it. The blue dragon one. Okay, so I'm gonna go with green, red. Maybe we'll go with the red. And then coconut milk. So I'll get this one here as well. And now I need some rice. And I think that's it then. The basmati rice is the one I always get going in the bag. I prefer this one to the normal one, and it's lower in GI. So we're gonna go with basmati. I think that's basically everything I need. There's another dish I make and I need Philadelphia cheese for it. So I'm gonna get the garlic and herb. Ooh, here we are. €2. Brilliant. That's the one. Do you know what? John's actually looking for decaf tea. Like regular Lions tea that's decaffeinated. I don't even know if that exists. I'm in the coffee aisle right now, in the tea aisle, and I'm trying to find it because he's really sensitive to caffeine, so he can't drink it at night, but he really wants to enjoy like a cup of tea with milk and not like a herbal tea at night. I can't find any. Maybe if I wasn't in the coffee aisle, I'll try and find the teas. Here we are. Okay, so it has to be like a regular decaf tea. Like they're all herbal teas. Maybe Barry's does one. So more of a Lions girl myself. Hang on now. Gold blend, original blend, but no decaf. Decaf Barry's. There we are, decaf Lions. Ah, brilliant. I'm so basic, but I really want these. They are like the, what you call them, butter biscuit things. Oh my god, yum. I have to get this as well, that time of the month. God damn it, why? Here we are, down the fun aisle. All the women's stuff, and oh yeah, the pearl, that's the one I want. There we go. I came in for like 2 things and the cart is full nearly. Well, not really. I'm so happy now, guys. I got everything I needed in Tesco's. We're done and dusted. I'm gonna go home and put it all away, and then I'm going to film that IKEA haul. Do you know what the funny thing is? I go into Tesco's and I have a clear vision in my mind of exactly what I want, and then when I'm walking down the aisles, I'm like, no, I want that, and I want this, and I need that for dinner, and it ends up, instead of being like, you know, 4 items, it ends up being like 15 items. So that is the story of my life and Tesco's. I meant to say to you guys, before I left, I put in all the footage of my latest like new video that I have to edit, and there was 1 hour and 38 minutes of editing. That is going to be super fun to edit. A lot of it is like, I have to speed it forward and stuff, so that won't be too bad, but like an hour and a half of footage filming, just crazy. Okay, so I'm home and I'm just gonna put away what I bought. Look guys, what I got was like an impulse purchase right at the end. Crunchy ice cream, it was on special, and I was like, I can't really resist this. This is what happens to me when that time of the month comes around, and I'm just craving everything unhealthy. Everything I can get my hands on that's unhealthy, I'm like craving it to pieces. So yeah, I picked myself up some crunchy ice cream. I'm presuming this is going to be delicious, because why wouldn't it be? It's a crunchy ice cream. Oh my god guys, I messed up so bad. Remember I was talking about how I needed ham? Yeah, I forgot to get ham. So how did I do that? Like, how did I honestly forget ham? It was like one of the top things I needed. I was like, get ham, get wraps, get the chicken, the curry paste, the coconut milk, and Tampax, and that was like on my list, and I forgot the ham. What have I done? Oh. I got some sweets, and I'm gonna put them into these little jars that John's mum got me. Well, she got them for us, and I just think they're so cute. I got these fizzy bottles for 1, and then I got the shrimps and bananas for another. These are my favorite sweets. I love these. Yeah, so just if someone comes over and they want some sweeties, they're in there, or for me, and I'm gonna have to hide them from John because he'll eat them all. Oh, they look so cute. This is like the goodie section in my presses, and then like obviously food up there and like tea and stuff down there. But yeah, the goodies go in the middle. I'm waiting on a fruit bowl, but I keep the strawberries, blueberries, grapes, bananas here, and then there's a lovely little avocado. Actually, John might not know that that avocado is ripe and ready to eat. My lemons over here for my lemon water, and then my apples as well, but I got them the other day. So I think that's basically it. And then I got a mango, and then I got orange and mango squash, just to kind of make water a bit more exciting, you know yourself. Okay guys, so I just put away everything after doing my IKEA haul, so that video is done, dusted. I just put makeup on there quickly for that video. And now I'm going to throw out my old flowers and put my new lilies, which are over there, into some water and like add a little bit of decoration to the kitchen. Hey guys, so it is food time. I have been in here editing all day and I got loads done, and I'm dying of cramps. I had to put the hot water bottle on. Ooh, it's dark out here. Maybe I should turn on a light. Anyway, yeah, I'm dying with cramps. Like, everything just happened. Everything happened. Things are here that I knew they were coming, but now they're here. So let's get cooking. I'm gonna make Thai red curry. That's what we're gonna cook. I don't think I've ever showed you how I make this before. I'm very, very basic with it. It's not very exciting, but you guys might like it, and maybe if you want to try it at home, you can do. So let's get set up and chop in the veg. Woohoo! Actually, we'll chop the chicken first. That's the best job. Having a donut and a cup of tea that John made me. So delicious. I love this so much. Like, my favorite ones are the ones from Tesco's I got today. Dinner was delish, even if I do say so myself, because I cooked it. I just have the fire going there. John's out fixing, like, or making a bulkhead thing. We're basically trying to like block up the hall a wee bit so that there's no cold air coming up, so that it will be like warmer in here in the winter time, if you get what I mean. But we're gonna watch Game of Thrones now once he's done with that. I have to take my makeup off right now because I just don't even want it on now. Then we're gonna hit the hay after that. Day is done. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you all tomorrow.